Hello dear students, good afternoon. I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Again I am here for your online classes of Gokuldas Public School and I am teaching you math subject. Okay, and what we have done in our last lecture is before numbers, and the topic that we are doing today is after numbers. Okay, so first of all of you open your books and notebooks. Okay, fast all of you open your books and notebooks. Take out your eraser, your pencil, okay, your pencil, your eraser, take out fast. Okay, and the topic that we are doing today is also given on page number 53 of your maths book. On which page number? Page number 53. The topic that we are doing today is given on page number 53, and first question we have already done. The first question is before numbers and the second question that we are doing today is after number. First of all, what is after number? What is after number? After number means a number that is given and we have to find the after number of the given number. That means the first step, just one first step plus 1. We are doing plus 1 when we are finding the after numbers. Okay, so I am also explaining you after number using a number line. Now see, suppose I have drawn this number line and I am writing here some numbers. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These 6 numbers I have written here, and suppose I mark here a dot on number 4, and if I ask you to find the after number of number 4, so which number will come just after 4? After means baad wala. Okay, after means baad wala, before means pehle wala. So the number that comes just after 4 is which number? Number 5. So here I have written numbers from 0 to 10. 0 to 10. Now the topic that we have given is from number 1 to 100. Okay, the topic that we have given is from number 1 to 100. So now we are considering some bigger numbers. Okay, some bigger numbers we are writing. So see what are the numbers I am writing now. Suppose 5 1 51, 5 2 52, 5 3 53, 5 4 54, 5 5 55 and 5 6 56. Now I have written number from 55 to 56. Okay. Now I have made a big dot on which number? I have made a big dot on number 52. On which number I have made dot here? 52. And if I ask you to find the after number of 52, so which number is just after 52? There are so many numbers after 52, but just after means just uske baad wala. Okay, so the number that comes just after 52 is 53. So after number of 52 will be 53 and before number of 52 will be 51. Okay, so in this way we write the after number of a given number. Now I hope you all have understood the concept of after and before. Okay, before questions we have already done, and I have given you homework also. So have you done the homework, all the students? The remaining 6 questions of question number 1 before numbers, I have given you homework. So I hope all of you have done the homework. So many students are not sending me the pic of their homework. So I hope you all are doing homework. I told you to do the homework first in your book and copy that in your notebook. Okay, so have you opened your notebook? Yes. So what is the first thing we are writing on the notebook? Take out new page and write today's date. Write today's date. What is the date today? That you have to write here, this side. Write today's date. What is the date today? That you have to write this side. Now write the question. first question we have already done. Now second question, write question 2. Question 2. And write with me and write in good handwriting, copy correctly from the board. Write the number WRITE. Write the THE. Write the number. Write the number that just that comes. Write the number that comes just after JUST, just after AFTER, just after the given numbers. The given GIVEN, given numbers. NUMBERS. This is the question. So I will give you time to copy the question. So copy it fast. Once again I am reading the question for you. Write the number that comes. Write the number. Write the number means you have to write a number. Only one number you have to write. Write a number that comes just after the given numbers. So write the question, copy the question from the board fast. The question that we are doing is given on page number 53. You can copy the question from the book also if you are not able to copy from the board. This question is given on page number 53, question number 2. You can copy the question from the book also. So I hope you all have copied the question. Now let's start the solving. So first of all I am writing questions on the board. You also copy the numbers and then we will solve it. So start writing. A. No need to draw this line in your copy, okay? A. 4, 5, 45. Then make one block. B. 8, 6, 86. Then again make one block. C. 3, 9, 39. Then again make one block. Then D. 4, 1, 41. Next E. 7, 2, 72. Then again make one block. F. 9, 1, 91. Then again make one block. G. 7, 0, 70. Then again make one box. H. 2, 3, 23. Then again make one block. Then one box, then last is J, 5050. Okay. And last is 50. First of all, you also copy all the question fast. Copy all the question fast. Then we will solve it. First of all, you copy all the question. You copy all the question, and then we will solve it. Okay, I will give you time to copy the question. And copy correct number from the board. And after writing the question, A, leave one block, then write B, then again leave one block. So after one question, you leave one block. I hope you all have copied the question. Now let's write the answer. Okay. Now see what is the first question. What number is given there? The number given is, read the number, 4, 5, 45. What is the number given? 4, 5, 45. So which number come after 45? The number that come after 45 is 46. 4, 6, 46. The number that come after 4, 5, 45 is 4, 6, 46. So write 46 in this block. After 45 write 4, 6, 46. Written? Very good. Now see what is the next number given. The next number is 8, 6, 86. The next number is 8, 6, 86. 8, 6, 86. Now the number that comes after 86 will be 8, 7, 87. 8, 6, 86 and the number will be, next number will be 8, 7, 87. So write 8, 7, 87 in the box. 8, 7, 87. Now see what is the next number given. The next number is 3939. The next number is 3939 and the number that comes after 39 is 39 and the next number will be 4040. So number that comes after 39 will be 4040. So write answer 4040. 4040. Now see what is the next number. The next number is 4141. See the number written here, 4141. So number that come after 41 is 4242. 4242. The number that comes after 41 will be 42. Okay. So write 42. Okay, now write number clearly inside the box. You are writing two numbers, so both the numbers should be written inside the box. Okay, don't write one number inside and one number outside. And write small numbers and clear so that you are able to identify what you have written. Okay, write neatly and correctly. Now see what is the next number. The next number is 7 to 72. Next number is 7 to 72, and the number that comes after 72 will be 73. Like after number of 72 is 73. 73. 73. Okay, now see what is the next number given. The next number is 91. 91, and the after number of 91 will be 92. 92. So write 92 in the box. Now see what is the next number. The next number is 70. And the number that comes after 70 will be 71. So write 71 in the box. Now what is the next number? 23. Now the number that comes after 23 will be 23. The after number will be 24. Right? 24 in the box. Inside the box. Now the next number. What is the number given? 36. And the number that comes after 36 will be 37. The number that comes after 36 will be 37. Now the last. What is the last number? 50. What is the last number? 50. And the number that comes after 50 will be 51. Copy it fast. Now I will give you some question on the board and you write the after number. Okay, you try to solve the question. First of all, you copy the question fast from the board. Okay, I hope you all have copied it. So now I am rubbing all the question. Now I am giving you some question and you try to solve it. Okay. Now continue writing and now you are going to solve it. Okay. K and the number is 8888. L 7575. M 3131. N 2626. And last is O 3434. Okay. Now you solve these questions fast. 5 questions I have given you. Okay, 5 questions I have given you. I will read the number for you once again and you write the answer. Okay, you write the after number of these given numbers. So what is the number given here? 88. So now write the number that comes after 88. Now the next number is 75. Now write the number that comes after 75. Next number is 31. Now write the after number of 31. Next number is 26. Again write the number of after number of 26, and the last number is 34. And you have to write the after numbers. Write fast. I will give you a few minutes to write the answers. Okay, now check your answers. Check your answers, all of you. I am writing once again here. What are the numbers? 88, 75, 31, 26 and 30. Okay. Now let us, you check your answers whether you have written right or not. See what is the number here? 88. And the after number of 88 will be 89. Okay, right? You have written here 89. Good. Now the next number is 75. So what will be the after number? 76. Now see what is the next number? 31. So next number will be 32. Now what is the next number? 26. And the after number of 26 will be 27. Now see what is the next number? 34. And the after number of 34 will be 35. Now I hope you all have done all the 5 questions correct. So those who have not done it, copy it fast. Copy correct answer from the board. Okay, I hope you all have copied. See questions, see students, the questions that we are doing today is, I have already told you, is given on which page? Page number 53. Page number 53 of your book. And we have the questions that we have done is this column and this column. This column left. Okay. The last column, the 4th column, we have not solved in classwork. So this column is homework for you. Okay. This last column will be homework for you. And you first write the answer in your book and then copy it in your notebook. Okay. This column will be homework for you, and first you do this in your book, solve it in your book, then copy it in your notebook. Okay. Now this topic, the last topic, we will continue in our next lecture. So till then, good day, have a nice day. Bye students.